Hello students, this is Dr. Gaurangi Bhatt here. Today I am going to tell you the poetry The Voice of the Rain by Walt Whitman, Hornbill Textbook Class 11th Core Course. The Voice of the Rain is a short free verse poem. So what do you mean by free verse? Free verse means an open form of poetry and it does not consist any meter, pattern and rhyme scheme. And it is written by the American poet Walt Whitman, describing each stage of the cycle of water. The poem pays homage to the restorative power of the natural world and claims that poetry nourishes humanity just as rain nourishes the earth. There is a conversation between the poet and the rain. The rain explains eternal journey and its birthplace earth to the poet. Now we have the summary of the poem. In the poem, the poet asks the soft falling shower, "Who are you?" To which she replies that she is the poem of the earth. It is a strange thing for the rain to reply to the poet. The rain told the poet that she cannot be touched as she rises in the form of water vapor in the sky from the land and the bottomless sea. It changes its shape, yet it remains the same. The vapor changes its clouds due to condensation. It falls back on the surface of the earth to provide water to the drought-prone areas and to beautify and purify the earth, its birthplace. It provides life to the seeds inside the earth and helps them grow. The rain does not care if anyone bothers about the deeds or not. She completes her work and comes back home. The poet also compares the rain with the song as they both share a common journey. The song originates from the heart of the singer, travels across to fulfill the aim and comes back with due love for the singer. Now after the summary we have the literary devices. So what do you mean by literary device? So literary device in literature, any technique that is used to help the author to achieve his or her purpose is called literary device. So here in this poem also poet has used various types of literary devices. First we have personification. Personification is the poet use a non-living thing as a living thing in the poem. So personification means when we personify non-living thing as a living thing, that is called personification. Like I am the poem of earth, said the voice of the rain. So here poem has been personified by the poet. So here poem has become earth. Next we have metaphor. Metaphor is an indirect comparison between the qualities of different things. Like I am the poem of earth. Rain is being compared to a poem. So that is called metaphor. Next we have hyperbole. Hyperbole is exaggerated statement. Exaggerate means when something is said or described more and more, that is called exaggeration. So here the word that has been used by the poet is bottomless sea. So bottomless word is an exaggeration. So next we have imagery. Imagery is visual description of something. Visual means while reading the poetry, when the picture creates in your brain and in front of your eyes, that to start imagining, that is called imagery. So here the poet has used soft falling shower. So when you read soft falling shower, the image comes in front of our eyes. We start imagining that how the rain is falling softly. So this is all for the day. I hope this is clear. Thank you so much.